Barclays can see that the writing is on the wall for fossil fuels, and they're trying to use them up as quickly as possible before they become stranded assets. In a recent report banking on the climate chaos, Barclays have spent $145 billion on fossil fuels since the Paris Agreement. They claim that they're green, but they're not. The people on trial here today are sounding the alarm about Barclays' immoral profiteering from polluting the planet, and they should be praised, not prosecuted.
We're outside Northampton Magistrates Court. Quite a few supporters for the defendants who were sitting inside Barclaycard, which is of course just outside Northampton here. They were playing cards with a huge banner saying, "Gambling with our lives."
So 4 of us have been found not guilty of criminal damage after the event that took place in February of 2020, a year and a half ago now. So we were charged with criminal damage for an action in which fake oil was sprayed in the foyer of Barclays. The magistrate found that the actions of those who rolled out the banners, those who de-escalated, were not proportionate to criminal damage, and myself as a live streamer, unaware of the events that were about to unfold, despite giving a commentary on the video, which I had given previously on numerous occasions at Barclays locations, they found that there's no evidence to support a guilty verdict because I didn't do anything, and neither did these guys. And those 2 who are up there right now, who have been found guilty, they gave extremely compelling evidence to prove that they feel as though their actions were completely justified, and I tend to agree with them on that, because we know that Barclaycard are a subsidiary of Barclays, which is the world's 6th largest investor in fossil fuels and the largest in Europe, and that we know that that investment in fossil fuels is what is driving the climate crisis to the point where people are already dying. And so for brave individuals such as those 2 up there who have just been found guilty to be taking it upon themselves while governments and authorities are negligent, has to be commended, and we have to appreciate that, and we have to show a huge amount of love to them. So it's a brilliant result today, and even the 2 up there will accept it's a brilliant result today, but the reality is that none of us are guilty, and that the guilty parties are those who are funding fossil fuels and driving our planet to the point of near extinction.
Barclays absolutely have dirty, filthy oil all over their hands. We need to target the Barclays annual general meetings. We need to target those who are funding Barclays and get Barclays to stop funding fossil fuels. They need to reinvest. There are plenty of green investments that are going to get the same returns. Barclays just need to start thinking about our children's futures and not their own profit pockets. So yeah, out with Barclays, and let's see some more green investments. No more fossil fuels, Barclays. Let's do the right thing by our children and do the right thing which is moral and ethically right. Stop investing in fossil fuels now. Let's invest in a green future.